Putting smiles on the faces of drivers as they exit a mountain road hairpin or dive into a late-braking turn on the way to the corner market is a huge satisfaction. But what drives our passion in the EKSTA LE Sport's performance is technical and engineering excellence. We start with Kumho Tire's proprietary and most advanced Escot casing technology. Simply put, Escot technology increases tension in the shoulder area of the tire for improved steering response and long tread life. Beginning at the heart of every EKSTA LE Sport, you'll find two Lyocell body plies. Lyocell provides better elongation and strength qualities than polyester, rayon, or other composites. Next, two high-tensile steel belts reinforce the structure and play a critical part in reducing road impact shocks. These belts are contained by a full-width, spiral-wound nylon cap overlay, providing not only high-speed capability, but excellent strength, uniformity, and ride quality as well. And a jointless bead wire bundle is utilized, increasing driver ride comfort and overall tire stability. Together, these engineering advancements provide a tire with a more uniform contact area, high-speed stability, and greater steering response mile after mile. Can a tire's performance exceed expectations without sacrificing ride quality? Yes, the EKSTA LE Sport can and does. Starting with its three wide circumferential grooves offset toward the inside of the tire, which work in conjunction with lateral cross grooves to evacuate water quickly and efficiently for improved traction in wet weather. Next, large outer shoulder blocks produce outstanding road contact for optimized cornering force and steering response. The EKSTA LE Sport's rib-type tread design ensures continuous contact with the road, resulting in straight-line stability. The optimized footprint shape evenly distributes pressure, resulting in heightened feedback and longer tread life. The EKSTA LE Sport also features a unique dimple design in selected tread blocks to dissipate internal heat. Less heat equates to optimum tire performance during high-performance driving. And to keep things on the quiet side, a variable pitch tread design reduces road harmonics, optimizes ride quality, and increases driver satisfaction. There's also wear indicators to help customers recognize when tire maintenance or replacement is required.